What's going on, guys? This is Super Simple Fixes. Today we're going to be doing a product review on Unbroken Designs weight vest. A couple of years ago I did one on the mirror weight vest, and this one is a whole lot better. So stick around, hit that like and subscribe button. Okay, before I keep going, just want to let you guys know that I am not being paid by Unbroken Designs for this review. I'm just trying it out and I really like it. It's super comfortable. You actually have a lot more room in the arms and the shoulder for overhead movements. So pull-ups, handstand push-ups, those are going to be a lot easier. And this actually does not compress as much as the mirror vest. So when I have the mirror vest on and I tighten everything up as hard as possible, it's a lot harder to breathe than it is with this one. So this one is a lot more comfortable. One strap that goes all the way around the body, easier to wash. Here are the differences between the plate. This is Unbroken Designs sandbag, and this is Mirror's weight. This is metal. Check out Unbroken Designs website, unbrokendesigns.com. Website shows that the prices are $130 for a 20-pound vest and $160 for a 30 and a 40-pound vest. So you can get a weight vest that can handle more weight, and you can scale up as you get stronger. So anyway, so I really like it. Super comfortable, like I said. Way more room to move around, less compression, easier to breathe, and easier to wash for this particular vest called Unbroken Design. Alright, so you guys have any questions or comments, leave it on down below. Other than that, y'all have a great day.